Hi fellow linguists, this is Akshita and you're watching Language Fluent. I'm your Spanish tutor and today we're going to study el abecedario en español. That means the Spanish alphabet. The Spanish alphabet has 27 letters and several additional sounds, and there are also some exceptions that we're going to see further in the video. So we'll start by pronouncing each letter with an example. A de avión, which means airplane. B de boda, which means marriage. C de cielo, which means sky. Y C de cama, which means bed. D de danza, which means dance. E de escuela, which means school. F de fuego, which means fire. K de gato, which means cat. And K de girasol, which means sunflower. H de hombre, which means man. E de igloo, which means igloo. J de juguete, which means toy. K de kiwi. L de lotería, which means lottery. M de mapa, which means map. N de norte, which means north. Ñe, this is pronounced as Ñe. Ñe de niño, which means child. O de ojos, which means eyes. P de pelo, which means hair. Q de queso, which means cheese. R de reloj, which means watch. S de sopa, which means soup. T de tiburón, which means shark. U de uso, which means use. V de video, which means video. W de web. X de xilófono, which means xylophone. Y o simplemente Y de yogur, which means yogurt. Y Z de zoo. So these are the 27 letters in the alphabet. Now there are 3 additional sounds. Ch de chica, which means girl. L, which is pronounced as eye de llave, which means key. R, which is pronounced as R, it kind of has a trilling sound. R de gorra, which means cap. Now there are certain things to keep in mind. The H in Spanish alphabet is always silent, and this letter J has a K sound. It is totally different from how it is pronounced in English. Now these 2 letters have 2 different sounds, and this we are going to see later in the video. The letters C and G, that is F y K, have 2 different sounds in the Spanish alphabet. F, when succeeded by the vowels A, O or U, has the sound of the letter K. For example, Ca becomes Ka de cama, which means bed. Co de cosa, which means thing. Cu de Cuba. And when succeeded by the vowels E or I, the sound is the same as that of the letter S, como se de 0, which means 0. C de 5, which means 5. Now there is also an exception with the letter Q, which is Q. When the letter Q and U are succeeded by E and I, the pronunciation becomes different. They are not pronounced as Kwe or Kui, they are pronounced as K and Ki. For example, K de queso, which means cheese. Ki de quizás, which means maybe. The letter G also has two sounds, G and the sound of the letter Khota, which is K. When K is succeeded by A, O or U, the sound is of G. For example, Ga de gato, which means cat, Go de gorra, which means cap, and Gu de guapa, which means pretty. When it is succeeded by A or E, the sound becomes that of the letter Khota. For example, K de gesto, which means gesture, Khi de girasol, which means sunflower. Also, when the letter K and U are succeeded by A and E, we do not pronounce it as Gue or Gui, it is pronounced as Ge and Gi. For example, Ge de guerra, which means war, Gi de guitarra, which means guitar. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any updates from Language Fluent. To register for our complete course, you can fill the form. The link is in the description box, or you can call on the numbers given below. Language Fluent also provides translation and interpretation services. Thank you, that's it, and I will see you in the next video. Adios!